Today, we're talking about one of the most worn clothing items in women's wardrobes, your sweatshirts and hoodies. Now listen, sweatshirts and hoodies are cute, comfortable, warm, cozy. They're basically an emotional support outfit, but most of us are accidentally styling them in ways that make us look bulky, sloppy, older, or just totally out of proportion. So today, I'm breaking down the 7 biggest sweatshirt and hoodie mistakes women make and how to fix them so you can go from thrown together loungewear to effortlessly stylish. This video is packed with easy, everyday fashion tips you can start using literally today. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, and let's glow up those hoodies, girl. Mistake 1, wearing hoodies that don't fit your body right. Let's start with the biggest mistake, the one that ruins the entire outfit before we even get to styling, wearing the wrong fit. A hoodie or sweatshirt that doesn't complement your body shape will make you look bigger, wider, shorter, or just swallowed in fabric. Wrong fit signs. Shoulders droop way past your shoulder. Hoodie bunches at your waist. Sleeves extend past your knuckles. The kangaroo pocket puffs out your stomach. The length cuts you off in an awkward place. Fix this. Choose a fit based on your body shape. Hourglass. Go for hoodies that skim the waist. Cropped hoodies look amazing. Avoid huge, oversized fits. Pear shape. Avoid long hoodies that cover your whole hip area. Choose mid-length or cropped. Apple shape. Go for V-neck sweatshirts, straight cut oversized pieces. Rectangle shape. Cropped hoodies add waist shape. Go for cinched or elastic hems. Inverted triangle. Avoid giant hoods. They add width. Balanced proportions are key. Number 2, understand the types of fit. Fitted is polished and feminine. Relaxed is everyday casual. Oversized is fashion forward, but only when done intentionally. You can wear oversized, just not sloppy oversized. The difference is intention. Mistake 2, pairing hoodies with the wrong bottoms. Mistake number 2, pairing the wrong bottoms with your hoodie. This is where outfits go from cute to confused. Unbalanced pairings. Giant hoodie plus giant sweatpants. Thick sweatshirt plus bulky jeans. Crop hoodie plus low-rise bottoms. Makes your torso look boxy. Oversized hoodie plus wide leg pants without shape. Fix this with the balance rule. The rule, if the top is big, the bottom should be sleek. If the top is sleek, the bottom can be big. Best pairings for hoodies. Oversized hoodie plus leggings. Fitted hoodie plus mom jeans. Cropped sweatshirt plus high-rise pants. Quarter zip sweatshirt plus straight leg jeans. Hoodie plus biker shorts. Hoodie plus mini skirt. Proportion secrets. Show your ankles, show your waist, show your wrists. Those tiny little breaks in fabric make your outfit look intentional, not like you rolled out of bed to walk your dog. Mistake 3, not layering your sweatshirts correctly. Layering is where you turn a hoodie from loungewear into a full look. Bad layering examples: hoodie under a super tight jacket, bulky sweatshirt under a blazer, random colors that clash, sloppy t-shirt hanging out the bottom. Fix this with these layering combos. Hoodie plus structured coat. This gives expensive off-duty model vibes. Hoodie plus leather jacket adds edge and balance. Sweatshirt plus collared shirt underneath. Instantly preppy, clean girl Pinterest look. Hoodie plus puffer vest. Cute, outdoorsy, gym to brunch aesthetic. Crew neck plus long line trench coat. Elegant casual. Color rule. Choose 2 neutrals plus 1 highlight color. Layering makes sweatshirts look polished, not childish. Mistake 4, wearing hoodies with the wrong shoes. You'd be shocked how many sweatshirt outfits are ruined by the wrong shoes. Shoes that often clash. Bulky running sneakers with oversized hoodies. Work shoes or square-toed boots. Slippers. Ballet flats with sporty hoodies. Best shoes to pair with hoodies. White sneakers, chunky dad sneakers, Chelsea boots, Uggs and mini Uggs, high-top Converse, combat boots, slip-on sneakers, platform sandals for cropped hoodies. Fix the vibe. Sporty hoodie with sporty sneaker, street style hoodie with chunky sneaker or boots, feminine hoodie with platform sneakers or cute boots. Monochrome hoodie fit with minimalist shoes. Shoes either complete your look or sabotage it. Mistake 5, not styling your hair for the hoodie. Hair changes everything when you're wearing a hoodie. If your hair is wrong, the whole outfit looks off, especially because the hood adds volume around the neck. Hair mistakes. Hair stuffed inside the hoodie. Messy top bun that makes your head look big. Ponytail that pushes the hood strangely. Hair left flat with a thick hoodie. Best hairstyles for hoodies: sleek low ponytail, high ponytail outside the hood, loose wavy hair, half up, half down, two braids, low messy bun, slick back bun, face framing tip. Pull two small pieces of hair forward to balance the hood. When your hair works with your hoodie, the outfit becomes effortlessly cute. Mistake 6: wearing hoodies that look too casual for your age or style. A lot of women fall into this trap, wearing hoodies that look too teenage. You can be cozy without giving high school PE class. Childish hoodie signs, huge logos, cartoon graphics, random neon colors, cheap fleece, super thin fabric, bright tie-dye, massive kangaroo pockets. Upgrade your hoodie aesthetic with thick structure fabric, minimalist logos, neutral colors, crop silhouettes, textured materials, quarter zip sweatshirts, monochrome matching sets, colors that always look expensive: cream, gray, beige, black, taupe, chocolate brown, charcoal, navy. You can still wear hoodies, just elevate them. Mistake 7: not accessorizing your sweatshirt looks. Accessories transform hoodies from lazy day to streetwear chic. Accessories that work with hoodies: gold hoops, layered necklaces, baseball cap, chic handbag, crossbody bag, structured tote, chunky socks, styled sunglasses, watches plus bracelets. How to do it right. Necklaces go under the sweatshirt collar. It peeks out in a cute, subtle way. Earrings balance the heavy hoodie fabric. This is why hoops or chunky studs work so well. Add one elevated piece: structured bag, leather boots, sunglasses. Accessories make the difference between just a hoodie and a whole outfit. Bonus: the hoodie glow up formula. 7 steps to instantly make any hoodie outfit cute. These are the steps stylish women use to look good in hoodies every time. Pick the right hoodie: neutral, thick, flattering fit. Balance with the right bottoms. Leggings, cute. Mom jeans, cute. Baggy sweatpants, cute, but only matching sets. Add the right shoes. White sneakers fix 99% of hoodie outfits. Add one accessory: hoops or sunglasses. Pick one. Add a top layer: jacket, leather coat, puffer vest, or trench. Style your hair. Even a simple ponytail helps. Add a clean bag, crossbody, or structured tote. Follow these steps and you never look sloppy in a hoodie again. And that's it: the 7 ways you're wearing sweatshirts and hoodies wrong and exactly how to fix them. Let me know in the comments which hoodie mistake you were guilty of, or which hoodie style tip you want a full video on next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who lives in sweatshirts. Thank you so much for watching. Stay cozy, stay cute, and I'll see you in the next one.